across to Navnidhi Sharma, Twisha's father, who's joining us on the phone line. Thank you so much हमारे साथ बात करने के लिए. Finally, now we know Samarth has been taken into custody. He has come in to surrender. There are technicalities involved. मगर आपको लगता है that the road to justice slowly is appearing?
The road to justice is appearing, but you see that today they have actually withdrawn their bail application, and the order has been passed कि if Samarth want to surrender, he can only surrender in front of IO or in the trial court.
Yes, in Bhopal, that's right.
But they are very smart people. They are very influential people from right beginning. I am telling you, they have adopted a backdoor method and they have applied for transit kind of surrender through district court, which is actually against the law. He cannot surrender. Any judge who is giving the permission of surrender through district court is absolutely violation of the law. Because today High Court has already instructed that he can surrender only on the two conditions. He should be arrested by police, not surrender. Please look out.
Do you think, Mr. Sharma, do you think that Samarth, being a lawyer himself, would know the technicalities of the surrender?
Yes, whole family is playing tactics game. Whole family is influencing. You say this is the clear-cut example. If in any case, if district court gives the permission of surrendering him, then it's a total violation of the law. It will be called they have actually bought this whole system under their belt.